you buy that expensive cream, your expensive imported cream, watch this video to the end, because 80% of that your cream might be a scam if you are doing these 3 mistakes I'm about to tell you. I'm about to save your money today. If you want to buy a lightening lotion, look out for the ingredients. If at the top list of ingredients you are seeing aqua or water, then at the bottom of the ingredients, maybe number 9 or number 10, you are now seeing your lightening ingredients such as kojic, albertine, and vitamin C. Just know that that lotion is mostly water. You are paying for packaging. What is the solution? The solution is this. Look out for these ingredients I'm about to mention. 5 basic ingredients for lightening lotion: niacinamide, kojic, licorice, glutathione, alpha-arbutin, and vitamin C. Once you have these ingredients on your lightening lotion, you are good to go. Number 2, your soap. Whenever you are buying your cream, make sure you also buy a soap that matches your cream. When you buy expensive cream, don't buy a soap that will dry off your skin. When a soap dries off your skin, it blocks the skin pores and it blocks the cream from penetrating your skin and giving your skin the desired result. What is the solution? Whenever you are buying your cream, make sure that your soap matches your cream goal. If you're buying a lightening cream, buy a lightening soap. Always be careful with the soap that you're buying. Soap and cream goes together. Soap and cream works together. So don't be careless about your soap when you buy a very good cream. When you buy a very good cream, also buy a very good soap. Number 3, sunscreen. Always make sure there is SPF in every lightening lotion that you're buying. You can't be toning your skin in the night and be toning it in the daytime. UV can darken your skin faster than any cream can brighten it. What is the solution? Whenever you are buying a lightening lotion, make sure there is SPF inside. If there is no SPF in the cream, do not buy it. Your lightening lotion must be paired with SPF. Either SPF is inside or there will be SPF to use with the cream. Okay? Then, consistency. Make sure you are consistent with any cream that you are using. Any cream that you use on your skin and it's giving you a very good result, make sure you continue with the cream. The more you use the cream, the more results you get. Do you know that 2,000 naira cream that you buy, that you are consistent with, will give you a very good and better result than that expensive cream that you buy once in a while and uses once in a while? Always be consistent. Consistency is the key. Last but not the least, whenever you enter a shop to get your skincare products, make sure you include these 4 basics in it, at least to give you a very good result. Number 1 is scrub. What is scrub? What does scrub do for the skin? Click the link and watch the previous video where I explain the efficiency of scrubbing the skin and how to use the scrub in order to give you a very good result. Number 2, buy a good cream. If what you have in mind is to glow your skin, go for a glowing cream. If what you have in mind is to tone and glow your skin, go for a cream that will tone and glow your skin. Then include soap inside. Make sure you buy a cream that matches your cream goal. Last but not least, get a supplement from the pharmacy. A good supplement that will glow your skin inside out. Okay? If this video has been impactful, comment on the comment section what you want me to talk about next time. Do you want us to talk about blemishes, how to glow your skin more, what to eat to glow your skin, what to use to glow your skin, weight loss, tummy black? I am your girl. Thank you and have a very good day.